Farmer of the Year. This award recognizes an exceptional farmer who demonstrates innovation, leadership, and a lasting commitment to advancing small farm success. And the 2025 Small Farm Outreach Program Farmer of the Year Award goes to
My name is Sharon Creekmore Mosley. We're here at Creekmore's Place Farm on Indian River Road. I am a third generation farmer. My parents farmed this land and we lived here. This was our home place. And my father farmed this land and some additional land in this area. And then my dad passed away first, and then my mom. We always had the produce stand. And when my dad passed away, we had to stop farming because there was nobody to do the farming with the knowledge. My husband and I retired some years ago, and we decided we wanted to farm like my dad. And so here now, that's what brings you to Creekmore's Place on Indian River Road in Virginia Beach.
Sharon's father started the farm back in the early 60s. She grew up in it all her life. We both retired, so we came right back here. We took down the 600 trees and went right back to work where he started from. Let everything grow up, and after 2017, we just went to work nonstop, and that's what we've been doing, just nonstop.
So what they do that I've noticed is they have what's called 2T10 method. So what that involves is 2 hands, tools, and 10 fingers. They actually plant most of their crops by hand. They don't use planting machines or a planter per se, or seeder. They actually dig the holes and put the plant into the soil one by one.
It's a full circle back where we started, where my parents started. A moment that I was just overjoyed is our first year of strawberries. We had 750 quarts. At that time, I didn't think it was nothing, but since 2 years later, when our crops didn't do as well, I knew that was a phenomenal thing to happen, to have 750 quarts.
Ben came out one day
And he was looking at one of our cover crop field, and to me, the cover crops always look terrible.
Sharon said, we're getting ready to get rid of that grass. And Ben said, that's a cover crop.
And I said, how do you know? He said, I can tell all the cover crop fields look like that.
And that was the hype of our day, because we didn't know about a cover crop. We didn't know how it's supposed to look.
And I was like, oh, I feel so much better because I thought it was only our cover crop.